For generations, parents have told their children to eat carrots because they are good for the eyes. While carrots do contain helpful nutrients, they are not the only food that supports vision, and they might not even be the best option available today. Modern life presents new challenges for our eyes that carrots alone cannot handle. We spend hours looking at bright screens, live in environments with dry air from heating and cooling systems, and expose our eyes to constant strain from artificial lighting. Many people reach for eye drops when their eyes feel tired, dry, or irritated. But eye drops only provide temporary relief that quickly wears off. What if there were a way to support eye health from the inside out, providing lasting repair rather than quick moisture? Tiny seeds offer exactly this kind of deep support. These small powerhouses contain concentrated nutrients that travel through the bloodstream to reach the delicate tissues of the eyes. Unlike drops that sit on the surface, seeds provide the building blocks your eyes need to strengthen themselves, stay naturally moist, and protect against damage from screens and sunlight. In this video, we will explore 5 remarkable seeds, each with a unique role in keeping your vision clear and your eyes comfortable, without relying on artificial drops. Before we dive into these incredible seeds, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our videos about natural ways to improve your health. Drop a comment below telling us which eye problem bothers you the most, and watch until the end because we've saved one of the most powerful seeds for last. Now, let's get into the seeds. Sunflower seeds come from the cheerful yellow flowers that turn their faces to follow the sun across the sky. These small gray seeds, hiding beneath black and white striped shells, contain a powerful nutrient profile that makes them excellent defenders against modern eye damage. The unique benefit of sunflower seeds lies in their ability to protect your eyes from the harmful effects of blue light emitted by digital screens. Every time you look at your phone, computer, television, or tablet, these devices flood your eyes with high-energy blue light that penetrates deep into the delicate tissues at the back of your eyes. Over time, this exposure contributes to something called photo-oxidative damage, which is simply a scientific way of saying that light burns out the sensitive cells responsible for sharp vision. Sunflower seeds contain impressive amounts of vitamin E, which acts as a primary defender for the fatty tissues in your eyes. The part of your eye that captures light and sends images to your brain consists mostly of fats that need protection from oxidation, which is similar to how metal rusts when exposed to weather. Vitamin E stops this rusting process in your eyes by neutralizing the damage caused by blue light exposure. Think of vitamin E as a tiny shield that each cell in your eye can wear to deflect the constant assault of screen time. People who spend their workdays in front of computers notice significant differences in how their eyes feel by late afternoon when they regularly eat sunflower seeds. The tired, gritty sensation that makes you want to close your eyes and rub them diminishes substantially because the protective layer remains intact throughout the day. Beyond vitamin E, sunflower seeds provide generous amounts of zinc, a mineral that helps your liver deliver vitamin A from other foods to your eyes where it is needed most. Vitamin A cannot do its job of helping you see in dim light without enough zinc to transport it where it needs to go. Sunflower seeds essentially ensure that all the other eye-healthy foods you eat actually reach your eyes, rather than getting used elsewhere in your body. The combination of protective vitamin E and transportation zinc makes these seeds essential for anyone who cannot avoid screens in their daily life. Flax seeds rank among the most powerful seeds for eye health because they solve a problem that millions of people struggle with daily. Dry eyes affect people of all ages, but the condition has become increasingly common in our modern world of climate-controlled buildings and endless screen time. Eye drops line the shelves of every pharmacy because people desperately seek relief from the burning, scratching, and redness that come with inadequate moisture on the eye surface. The trouble with eye drops is that they only add water to the eyes without addressing why the eyes cannot hold onto moisture in the first place. Flax seeds take a completely different approach by helping your eyes produce better quality tears that last much longer than any drop from a bottle. The magic of flax seeds lies in their incredible concentration of alpha-linolenic acid, which belongs to the omega-3 fatty acid family. Your eyes need these specific fats to produce the oily layer of your tear film. Most people do not realize that tears consist of 3 distinct layers with different jobs. The outer layer must be oily to prevent the watery middle layer from evaporating into the air within seconds. Without enough oil in your tears, the moisture on your eyes simply disappears, leaving your eye surface exposed and irritated no matter how many drops you use. Flax seeds provide the raw materials your body needs to manufacture this protective oil layer, which locks moisture onto your eyes for hours rather than minutes. People who add flax seeds to their diets typically notice changes within a few weeks. The constant need to carry eye drops everywhere they go diminishes because their eyes simply feel more comfortable throughout the day. Waking up with gritty, stuck-together eyes becomes less common because the eyes maintain moisture even during sleep. Flax seeds work gradually and consistently rather than providing the sudden burst of relief that drops offer, but then quickly take away. The seeds themselves have a mild, nutty flavor that blends easily into smoothies without changing the taste noticeably. Chia seeds gained widespread popularity in recent years as a superfood for weight loss and energy, but their benefits for eye health remain less widely known despite being equally impressive. These tiny seeds that swell into a gel when soaked in liquid contain a unique combination of nutrients that specifically target the problem of glare sensitivity and slow adjustment to changing light conditions. Many people struggle with the blinding glare of oncoming headlights when driving at night, or they find themselves temporarily unable to see when walking from bright sunlight into a dimly lit building. These difficulties indicate that the eyes are struggling to adapt quickly to changes in light intensity, which points to a need for specific nutritional support that chia seeds provide abundantly. Chia seeds contain high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, similar to flax seeds, but they offer something extra in the form of concentrated minerals that support the function of the retina. The retina represents the part of your eye that acts like the film in an old camera, capturing light and converting it into electrical signals that your brain interprets as images. This complex tissue requires tremendous amounts of energy to function properly, especially when light conditions change rapidly. The minerals in chia seeds help power the chemical reactions that allow your retina to reset its sensitivity quickly when you move from bright areas to dark ones. People who eat chia seeds regularly often report that their eyes feel less overwhelmed by sudden bright lights and that they recover their vision faster after being temporarily blinded by glare. Another unique aspect of chia seeds relates to their ability to help your eyes maintain proper hydration from within. The gel that forms when chia seeds soak in water resembles the natural fluids that surround and protect your eyes. Eating chia seeds essentially provides your body with a structure that helps maintain fluid balance throughout your system, including in the delicate tissues of your eyes. This internal hydration supports the clear, gel-like substance inside your eyeball that maintains its round shape and allows light to pass through without distortion. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, offer eye health benefits that connect directly to the ancient understanding that food shapes how we see the world. These flat green seeds, harvested from autumn pumpkins, contain some of the highest concentrations of zinc found anywhere in the plant kingdom. Zinc serves multiple functions throughout the body, but its role in vision deserves special attention because eyes need this mineral more urgently than almost any other organ. The retina contains incredibly high levels of zinc compared to other body tissues, which tells us that vision cannot happen properly without adequate supplies of this mineral. The unique contribution of pumpkin seeds to night vision comes from zinc's partnership with vitamin A. Your eyes contain specialized cells called rods that handle vision in low light conditions. These rods contain a purple pigment called rhodopsin that breaks down when light hits it, which triggers the signal that tells your brain you are seeing something. After rhodopsin breaks down, your eyes must rebuild it using vitamin A. This rebuilding process happens constantly as you move through different lighting conditions throughout your day. Without enough zinc, the enzyme that tries to attach vitamin A to the rebuilding pigment simply cannot do its job. You could eat all the vitamin A-rich foods in the world, but without sufficient zinc from sources like pumpkin seeds, your eyes cannot use that vitamin to restore your night vision after exposure to bright light. Pumpkin seeds also provide magnesium, which helps the tiny muscles around your eyes relax after they have been straining to focus on close work like reading or computer use. The ability of these muscles to let go of tension directly affects how well you can shift focus from near objects to distant ones. Eye strain headaches often result from muscles that remain partially contracted even when you try to look at something far away. The magnesium in pumpkin seeds helps these muscles receive the signal to relax completely, which reduces the aching sensation behind your eyes that builds up over long days of near work. Sesame seeds rank among the oldest cultivated crops in human history, with records of their use dating back thousands of years in ancient civilizations. These tiny seeds that stick to your teeth when you eat sesame seed buns actually contain profound nutritional support for the structural integrity of your eyes. The unique contribution of sesame seeds focuses on maintaining the proper pressure inside your eyeballs and keeping the connective tissues strong enough to hold everything in place. Your eyes maintain a specific internal pressure that keeps them rounded and properly shaped for focusing light. When this pressure becomes too high, it can damage the delicate optic nerve over time without causing any symptoms until significant vision loss has already occurred. Sesame seeds provide exceptional amounts of copper and manganese, two trace minerals that most people never think about, but that your eyes desperately need for maintaining strong connective tissues. The whites of your eyes consist of tough fibrous material that must remain flexible yet strong enough to withstand the constant tiny movements of your eyes as they scan the world around you. Copper helps your body form crosslinks in collagen fibers that give this tissue its strength without making it brittle. Manganese supports the enzymes that repair damage to these tissues when they experience wear and tear from daily use. Together, these minerals in sesame seeds help maintain the physical structure of your eyes so that the internal pressure remains stable and the shape stays consistent for clear focusing. The calcium content in sesame seeds also contributes to eye health in ways that people rarely consider. The muscles that move your eyes with incredible precision to track moving objects and shift your gaze rapidly require calcium to contract and relax smoothly. Without enough calcium, these muscles become twitchy and uncoordinated, which makes tracking moving objects difficult and contributes to eye strain during activities that require rapid visual shifts, like driving in traffic or playing sports. Sesame seeds contain more calcium than milk by weight, which makes them an excellent source for people who do not consume dairy products. Throughout this exploration of tiny seeds and their remarkable effects on eye health, a clear pattern has emerged. Eye drops offer a moment of relief that fades quickly, leaving you reaching for the bottle again within hours. Seeds, by contrast, provide lasting support that builds over time and addresses the root causes of eye discomfort, rather than just masking the symptoms. Each seed plays a unique role in maintaining the complex system that delivers your sense of sight. The choice between quick fixes and lasting nourishment is really a choice about how you value your vision. Sprinkling a variety of these seeds onto your daily meals costs little effort, but pays dividends in comfortable, clear vision for years to come.